Hey, Kathleen here. So I ordered these coat hooks because I wanted to make a coat rack or a rack for hanging bags and those kinds of things here in the garage. And I had this piece of wood left over from our decking, pretty hard. So I drilled pilot holes in here first, whoops, to match up to the holes, the holes in here, which you can see this one I kind of messed up at first. And so I drilled the pilot holes and then I screwed the screws in and then I took the screws out. But I wanted to do all that before I sand it and before I prime it. I'm only putting up 5 of these. This is a 6-pack. They come in 4, 6, or 8 packs. I have black. They have different sheens, different colors. So they hold 30 pounds or less. Let's get this project finished. Okay, so I've gotten everything on. I put the letters on. It's supposed to have an H to say gather, but I still need to find that letter H somewhere. And I am ready to use this. I'm gonna put this Rachel Ray Chill Out tote on here because that's one of the things that we hang in here is our totes and our coats and things like that. So excited to have this in the garage.